beautiful people. This is Jessica Jones with Rebel Women Wealth coming in with a quick little tip. I've been having a lot of conversations with clients and referrals and people that I know about what to do with a 401k that is from a previous employer. So an old 401k that you had from a previous job. It's very common, right? Because we don't stay at jobs for our entire lives anymore like our grandparents did. So we move from job to job, or also, unfortunately, with the layoffs going on and things like that, sometimes that happens too. So what do you do with your 401k? All right, there's a few different options for you. Number one, you can leave it there at your old employer. The problem with that is you have very little control over it. There may be fees involved. You're only going to be able to have access to their own investments that they're offering you through that 401k. Okay, that's one. Number two, you can cash it out, which don't do that. Okay. All right. But seriously though, if you do cash it out, you're going to pay taxes on the entire amount when you cash it out. Obviously, if it's an emergency or you have to cash it out to live on, so be it. However, just know that you're going to pay taxes on the entire amount at your current tax bracket. That will be counted as income. Also, if you're under 59.5, there's going to be an extra penalty on top of that. Okay. Number three, you can roll it to your new employer if they let you. Sometimes they don't let you roll it into your new employer's plan. And you may not want to do that anyway because it's not going to give you very much control. You can start the new 401k at the new place and start contributing. Hopefully they have a match as well. But a lot of them don't allow you to roll it into your new 401k anyway. So that may be not an option for you. Fourth way is the most common way, and this is what I usually would suggest people take a look at, is to roll it into an individual retirement account or an IRA, a traditional IRA. That way you have a lot more investment options. You can be more aggressive if you want to. You have a lot more funds and more, sky's the limit. If it's your own individual retirement account, then you're going to be able to have a lot more control on it, potentially less fees, and just it'll give you some more diversification, especially if you are starting a new 401k at a new job. Then you'll have that, and there are more limited options as far as investment, but you just have to understand the 401k has a third-party administrator who basically works as a fiduciary on your behalf within the 401k, and they give you specific sets of investment options, mostly funds, a lot of retirement date funds, target date funds that'll get more conservative as you get closer to retirement. And that's all well and good. It's to save you from yourself, right? They don't want you to be super speculative in your 401k, because if you don't know what you're doing, you may be a lot more aggressive than you wanted to be. So anyway, those are 4 little options there. Like I said, you can leave it at your old employer. You can cash it out. Careful with that one. You can roll it to your new 401k, potentially, maybe, depending on the employer. Or number 4, you roll it into your own personal traditional IRA. Then there's no tax implications because it's just a direct rollover, and you may have some more options as far as investing. Well, you will have some more options as far as how you would like it to be invested. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I am happy to help. Jessica Jones at Rebel Women Wealth. You got this, babes. Have a wonderful day. Bye.